Logan.
Are your pads too tight?
I can't feel my arms.
He can't feel his arms. You're hard to push across the line, Daddy.
Huh?
You're hard to push across the line. All right, ready?
You gotta get lined up where you're supposed to be.
Where's Trip at, Logan? Where's
Back
Trip?
up some more.
Where's Trip at?
Back up some more. Because your hands are gonna be down there where the ball is.
That's right. Don't go past that ball.
Ready. Set. Go.
Chop, 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 chop. Good job, good buddy. Okay, that's done. That's all we're gonna do. High five. That's good. Run some drills really quick with Daddy. Just your chopping and shuffling and everything, so you can get used to those pads. No ball, Daddy. Just chopping and shuffling.
No, the ball is gonna be like the direction.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay.
I forgot about Jack's
down,
dad.
Right, so you gotta start chopping. Down. Go.
Up, 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 up. Quick, 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 quick.
Chop, chop,
Keep
chop,
chopping,
chop,
keep
chop,
chopping.
Chop, chop, right, right, right. Chop, 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 left, 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 left. Chop, 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 go.
Sprint, 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 sprint. Good job. All right.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah.
It's kind of difficult, huh, buddy?
Get to it. Don't worry.
Tomorrow is your first practice in pads. What do you think? Your chin strap's still on, buddy. You gotta take your chin strap off.
It smells weird.
Well, we need to wash everything out for you. So what do you think about your new pads, man?
It's awesome.
I'm gonna show this video to Mama. You don't want to say hi or anything?
Hey.
Do you like football? Do you like your
I like
coach?
this.
Your Under Armour?
Yeah.
Are you hot?
A little bit.
Yeah. Are you ready to go take a shower?
Yeah.
Get ready for bed?
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Yes. I love you, Mama. I love you so much.
Bye.
Papa.
And Papa and everybody else.
Bye, guys.
Bye.